Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with another unboxing, and maybe the most boring unboxing of them all. You have seen these videos about a comedian saying that you're not supposed to wear Air Jordans after you turn 40 or something ridiculous like that. And for years now, I've been getting complaints, or at least comments, funny comments here on YouTube from kids saying that I look too old for wearing Jordans and trying to look young and yada yada yada. And I just find that silly because we that have grown up with the Air Jordans, this is not going to be another video about that. I just find that silly. But as a sneakerhead, I wear my shoes, I use them wrongfully. First of all, I don't use them enough. And that makes them dry out, and yeah, you're getting problems with not using your shoes. So that's one of the problems that mistakes that I do. And then wrongfully, let me take a pair of shoes and show you. If you have seen my videos, I complain a lot about shoes being tough to put on and off. These were dirty. I usually clean them before I put them back in the box. And as you can see here, I have the original lace on them. I usually don't change that, or with a pair of ones. Do I have them unlaced? Yeah, I wear them like this. I really don't like to tie my shoes. And I want shoes that are easy to put on and off. And that was way before my accident. So now I have a broken body. Now it's even more important to me to have shoes that are easy to put on and off. So I don't like to lace my shoes. I want something easy. And in my videos where I've used a shoe horn, everybody gets super excited and asks, what is that? What is that you're using to put on your shoes? Here in Sweden, everybody has a shoe horn. If I am at somebody's house that doesn't have a shoe horn, that is weird. Yeah, actually, I find that very odd if somebody doesn't have a shoe horn at home. And you should be able to buy a shoe horn. I should have had one here now. I'm going to post B-roll. Should be able to find them in a shoe store or IKEA maybe. So let me show you what I do. And this dislike with putting on and off the shoes, that is why we have beaters. And the beaters, we really just press our foot in, and you see we ruin the heel, but we don't care. And that's how we treat beaters. Yeah, that is just silly. But that's how most of us do. And usually I'm not even sitting. I'm doing that right now just for my legs. So, and when we going to take off the shoes, we just do like this. When it works, when you don't have a broken leg. And that makes your shoes dirty in front, and you damage the whole rear of the shoe. So when putting on the shoes, let me use my brand new shoes just to show you. These are very loosely laced, but this is a shoe horn. Everybody in Sweden has that. So you put that on the heel and your foot just glides in. You make it easier for your foot. You don't damage your shoe. So yeah, a shoehorn is a must to have. And now when I'm more broken than usual, I usually use the shoehorn to take off the shoes as well. So I put it in there. This is absolutely not comfortable, just so you know. Can I even do this sitting down? Yeah, I can. And then force it off. Instead of doing what I just did. And this is what even young people do, but old people wearing Jordans or sneakers in general, and broken people, and lazy people, I highly recommend using a shoehorn. And then, back in the days, at least every old lady used to have a boot jack at home. So I found it surprising that it was hard to find a boot jack in stores here in Sweden. So I had to order this from Amazon. I ordered 2 of them, so I have one at my parents' house as well for my own use. And with a boot jack, you just do like this. And as the name says, it's for boots, cowboy boots. But, alright, so as I assumed. But you can use it for sneakers as well. The reason why I haven't bought one of these earlier is because I was afraid that the shoes were going to get damaged like that. So that was a bummer. But you can use it lower down, maybe where it's not as sensitive. Let me show you again. So shoehorn, put on the shoe. This is so silly, me doing a video, a 41-year-old man showing you how to put on basketball shoes that I wear just because they're comfortable. And I'm absolutely the opposite of a athletic basketball player. And while standing up, this is the reason why I need this now. I'm using crutches and just easily want to take off my shoes like that. Very nice. So yes, you can use a boot jack for your sneaker as well. It will probably make some marks, but I just took the boot jack that I could get home the fastest, and I believe it was the second to the cheapest one. There are a bunch of different boot jacks to buy and get them bigger ones. This is just plastic, and the inside is stiff rubber. But I'm absolutely gonna get me a high quality boot jack that has maybe a bigger grip and absolutely a softer one, because my brand new Air Jordan 2 now have marks after the boot jack. But yeah, so my point is, we are not too old to wear Jordans or any sneakers at all. And if we are old and broken and damaged and lazy, we should all have a shoehorn, which I have a bunch of them, but this is my favorite one, and a boot jack. That's it for this guide for us old men and women wearing sneakers. Thanks for watching.